Hey there. Do you feel like money controls your life? Like you're working hard but getting nowhere closer to freedom? Imagine a life where your finances work for you, not the other way around. I'm here to help you get there. Financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a goal that anyone can achieve with the right tools and knowledge. On my channel, I break down personal finance in ways that are simple, practical, and easy to follow. No complex jargon, no gimmicks, just real strategies that work. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, start investing, or build wealth that lasts, my videos cover everything you need to know. I'll guide you step by step so you can stop worrying about money and start focusing on what truly matters to you. Financial freedom is possible for anyone, and it's not as far away as you might think. Subscribe to my channel and join me on the journey to take control of your financial future. Let's start building the life you've always dreamed of, one step at a time. Remember, every step you take gets you closer to financial independence. Hit that subscribe button and let's make it happen together.